What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.
Hi, I'm Adam Helfman, home improvement expert from Hire It Done. I always hear from homeowners who like to tackle projects around the house themselves. That's why we've put together this do-it-yourself series to help you next time you're ready to embrace your inner weekend warrior. Hope you enjoy the video. Today, we're going to teach you step-by-step how to change the furnace filter in your furnace.
Okay, we're going to instruct on how to change a filter on the furnace. This is an older model. We'll talk about a couple of different ways that it's done depending on your furnace. Right now with this particular unit, we have to pull the top panel off of this furnace, set that aside, and then it has this furnace filter is inside the furnace, so we're going to pull the bottom filter off, or panel off. In most cases there's going to be a switch on the side of the furnace that you want to shut off. A lot of the furnaces will have a door switch, as this one does. When you pull the door off, the furnace will stop, or you can just shut the furnace switch off on the side of the furnace. This particular furnace filter is inside the furnace, and it's on a track, a sliding track. This one is not too bad a shape here, but it's going to need to be changed here shortly. So it slides right in on that track. It pulls in and out. This is a 1-inch. The size of the filter will be on the filter itself, and you can see on this one it's showing 16 by 20 by 1. They'll normally have that on the side of the furnace filter.
Can you hold that up again?
Yep. Flip it over this way. Oh, and it just slides in on the track there, and push it in there like this. So the panels for this one will typically catch at the bottom to slide on first, and then put the upper portion in and push down on it, and it'll latch in. Then the upper one on this has 4 tabs on it on this furnace door, and then it just hangs on there like so. A lot of the newer furnaces will have the filter beside the furnace. You actually see the end of it on the outside. It's a little more convenient on the newer ones. And you can just grab the filter and pull it out. May have a cover over it, but it will typically be outside the furnace, right next to it on the left or right side. This is a 1-inch filter, but there are a lot of what we call media filters out there that can be anywhere from 4 to 5 inches wide, and those are going to be in a case next to the furnace, and it'll have a door on it, pulls off, and then you can pull that furnace filter out and replace the whole assembly. That would be the media type.
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, go ahead and click the like button. If you didn't like it, or if you think you know a better way to tackle a project, then please leave a comment for me below. And if you want more great home improvement content like this, go ahead and subscribe. As always, I'm Adam Helfman with Hire It Done, and I'll see you in the next video.
What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com.